Like I said, Sicilians everywhere. Omaha, Nebraska. What a beautiful place. Great people. Ciao a tutti. Michele Cavalieri. Today for the Cannolo report from Nebraska. Ciao. Hey guys, I'm proud to represent Sicily here at the Santa Lucia Festival in Omaha, Nebraska. Check it out. How beautiful is that? American flag, Italian flag. Here we go. Now look at this truly handsome Sicilian.
I am
When did you come to this country, USA?
August 25th, 1964.
Say it in Sicilian.
Agosto 25, 1964. Rosario, ma qua mi chiamano Saro.
Ah, Rosa Bassano. Ciao.
Sicilian Proverbs. Quando amori tu pulia, uno lasciare in mezzo la via. When love knocks, don't leave it out in the street. Clearly this proverb was invented before the door-to-door salesman. Cui cerca trova, cui seguta vinci. Who seeks finds, who perseveres wins. This is motivational coaching before its time, and with this lovely proverb, I say goodbye. Ciao!
Ciao, Cannolo report, Splendid, Sicily. We're in the old market in the old part of town of Omaha, Nebraska. How cool is this, guys? It's an old ice cream, seal test ice cream area. They made it into a little candy shop. It's really nice, interesting. License plates. Little Italy, Omaha. As you can see, we have pasta wrapped around a large, long fork. It's amazing, amazing place.
We're at the original location where we built the bakery in
What year?
1989.
1989. Wow.
September 1989 we moved.
Hotel Bakery.
My picture, my dad's and my grandmother and grandfather's. And then we have their papers.
Where's that? So we're here in Old Town, Nebraska, Omaha, and I'm here with my dear friend and consigliere, Alvacanti. Al, what is this Old Town?
This is called the Old Market now.
Old Market.
This
Old
was
Market.
revitalized back in the 60s, 70s, where, as you can see, there were warehouses, businesses. This corner here is the Vitale Monaco.
Most important for me
Yeah.
and for our viewers. Were they Sicilian, Italian?
Yes, they were Sicilian.
Sicilian. Sicilians everywhere. Omaha, Nebraska, tutti del mondo.
On November 19, 1841, Antonino Salinas was born in Palermo, a renewed archaeologist to whom the wonderful Archaeological Museum of Palermo one of the most beautiful in the world, was dedicated. November 16, 1922, the legendary bandit Salvatore Giuliano, known as Turiddu, was born in Montelepre, in the mountains of Palermo. He did all sorts of things and was killed when he was only 28. On November 17, 1988, Nuovo Cinema Paradiso was released, the film by Giuseppe Tornatore, which won the Oscar in 1989 and which was shot for its main scenes in the beautiful village of Palazzo Adriano. During the filming, the whole town was involved, some as extra, some simply providing services to the whole cast: hospitality, food, laundry, transport. Ancient folk medicine, sfilatura or contracture. With the right hand, rub strongly oil and salt while reciting the Lord's Prayer and the few Hail Mary. The farmer's advice. In November, we continue to sow the wheat and harvest the olives. It is time for transhumance, and therefore the bees are sheltered from the cold, and the cows move toward sea climates. In this photo from the late 1800s, there is a Sicilian family. The husband should be the well-dressed gentleman in the upper right. And who might that be watering? Faces of the past, captured on a happy day.
Ciao, Liliana. Tell me in Sicilian.
Siciliane.
Siciliane. What's this? What are you pointing to?
Amici, benvenuti nella nostra casa.
Let me do it like this. Hold on, again. Hold on, let me do it. Ciao a tutti dal mondo. Cannolo report. Splendid Sicily. I'm here with Jen in Omaha, Nebraska, at the Santa Lucia Hall. Let's go inside. Tell me what we got, Jen.
Great. Welcome. We're glad you're here.
So tell me, wow.
This is our beautiful hall where we gather and have meetings and have lots of social events.
Got it. Bon.
Good pasta? I did good?
Sado.
Good.
Sado, good?
Caro, buono, scatto,
Buonissimo.
Is it good?
Buona,
Not so
Maria.
sweet, is it?
Maria, buona. Wow. What is it? Look at me.
buonissima.
Bonissimo.
Buonissima.
Wow.
Niente che buono.
Sì.
Che la dire? Dopo i confette nascono i difetti.
A tutti i siciliani creativi di Sicilian Artisan Foundation dedico una mia composizione dal titolo Dove sei, dedicata alla nostra amata terra, la Sicilia.
Next week in Sicily, weather forecast mostly sunny on the whole island with some rare precipitation. Coastal temperatures average high 20, average low 15. The sun rises around 7 a.m. and sets around 6 p.m. And let's see what this land and the sea blessed by the sun and wealth offers us. The fruit vendor has zucchinis, prickly pears, apples, lotuses, grapes, peaches of all kinds, broccoli and cauliflowers, and lots of other fragrant fruits and vegetables. And oranges and tangerines are on their way, the pride of Sicily. The fish vendor has excellent swordfish, octopus of all sizes, mussels, squid, the typical pink shrimp, and lots of bluefish, the fish of the Mediterranean. It's time for chestnuts, and here are the roasted chestnuts, or chestnuts cooked on the grill. Delicious!
I am here with Mary Vendetti, who's 100% Sicilian, in front of her beautiful little store. What's the store's name? Dolce.
We have sweets in there.
So, Splendid Sicily, Cannolo reports. Mary, tell me where your family, the origins are from.
Okay, so my mother's family is from the Chefalou area, and my dad's family is from the Corleone area. We actually went to that town.
Corleone.
The Godfather's no joke there.
Yeah.
You don't want to wear the T-shirt.
No. It's a different place.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much from Omaha to Mary.
Yes.
Omaha, Nebraska is a wonderful place with wonderful people, and it's an honor for me to be here. Thank you.
Love having you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Ciao.
Thanks, Maria.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear some cute makeup, lipstick.
Arrivederci a tutti.